The Noctua NH-L9a-AM4 is a low-profile CPU cooler designed specifically for AMD AM4 socket CPUs and APUs. Standing at a mere 37 millimeters tall, it's practically tailor-made for slim HTPC cases and small form factor builds where space is at an absolute premium. One of the biggest challenges with SFF builds is component clearance, and Noctua has addressed this head-on. The L9a-AM4 boasts a compact footprint ensuring 100% RAM and PCIe compatibility on IDX motherboards. You won't have to worry about this cooler interfering with your other components, and accessing near-socket connectors is a breeze. Noctua is renowned for its quiet cooling solutions, and the L9a-AM4 is no exception. It features their premium NF-A9X14 fan, which operates silently even under load. The included low-noise adapter allows you to further reduce fan speed for near-silent operation, and the PWM functionality ensures the fan speed automatically adjusts based on CPU temperature. This means optimal cooling performance without unnecessary noise. Installation is straightforward thanks to Noctua's SECU Firm 2 mounting system. They even include their award-winning NT-H1 thermal compound, so you don't have to worry about purchasing that separately. While this cooler is ideal for smaller builds, it's important to consider its cooling capacity. Noctua recommends the L9a-AM4 for AMD Ryzen CPUs and APUs with moderate heat loads, such as the Ryzen 5 5600, 4750G, 4650G, and 4600G. Check their compatibility list to ensure it's suitable for your specific processor. If you're running a high TDP chip or plan on heavy overclocking, you might need a more robust cooler. However, for typical everyday use and even light gaming in a small form factor PC, the Noctua NH-L9a-AM4 offers an excellent balance of performance, size, and whisper-quiet operation. It's a premium choice backed by a 6-year manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.